In this video, I'm going to demonstrate ways to use the search charm in Windows 8. To bring up the charms bar, we can do this in one of three ways utilizing the mouse. We can go ahead and hover our mouse in the upper right corner of the screen, or the lower right corner of the screen, or we can simply use the keyboard shortcut of Windows key and C. Now that the charms bar is opened up, we'll see the uppermost charm is search. So when I click on this icon, I see it says search at the top, and then underneath it says everywhere. Now if I wanted to focus my search, if I click on everywhere, I can focus my search according to apps, settings, files, web images, and or web videos. Commonly, however, I just keep it set to everywhere. So for instance, if I typed in this search field, New York, you'll see that search terms start to populate. I could look at New York Times, New York Post, etc. Or if I just go ahead and hit the magnifying glass icon, I will see that my search for New York comes up with this information. It shows me the temperature in New York, the population, and I can even view it on a map. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and now as you can see, in a few moments, I will get a better understanding of where New York actually is. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and show you another interesting feature about search in Windows 8. If I activate the switcher bar by hovering my mouse in the upper left corner of my screen, I will see the last screen I was in, which in this case is my search results for New York. That is a really easy way to get back to your previous search. Something else I want to highlight at this point too, not only do I see information about New York and attractions, but I can keep scrolling to the right and find even more information that is relevant to my search term. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the start screen. And now that I'm back at the start screen, I want to show you another way to utilize the search charm in Windows 8. Again, this works only in the start screen. So I've determined my next search will be for the term shift. So I start typing shift in, and lo and behold, look what pops up, my search. And again, I can see I have alternative choices I can make, or if I just go ahead and hit the magnifying glass icon, I will see documents related to shift, in this case a Word document, an actual image which I have stored on SkyDrive, or I can see additional information that is on the web. So a variety of options are available for you when you search using the search charm in Windows 8. At this point, I'm going to go back to my start screen, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my desktop app, because I want to show you one additional way that you can bring up the search charm from any app. Again, of course, I can always go up here and bring up the charms bar, but let's say, for instance, I wanted to use a keyboard shortcut. Well, the Windows key and the letter S will bring you right to the actual search charm. And all I got to do is just type in information, and suddenly you'll see some search results populate. Well, there you have it. Some additional ways that you can use the search charm in Windows 8.